Let's take a quick run through the basic field on the forecast line. And to do that, I will just select month in here to update my forecast. So now I'm viewing lines per month, even though there's no forecast in the specific month. And in the start inventory column, I could see the inventory in the beginning of that specific period. That inventory includes history, meaning it takes into account what the actual inventory was on the first date. And then you can see the development of the inventory all through this column. So it takes into account all the column you can see on the right hand side and all the hidden column as well, the transfer quantity, production quantity, assembly quantity, etc. So the inventory calculates all your inventory movements and display the inventory value. So if today is somewhere in in May, this will all be history to begin with, and then the end will be the future expectation based on open sales orders and forecast. Then you can see the purchase quantity. If you have purchased this item, this is not a purchase item, so I would expect in the hidden columns of production quantity to see a lot in here. But if you have purchase quantity, you could see it here, and you can drill down on that. Forecast quantity, of course, the sales quantity is the quantity on open sales orders, and if you drill down this field, you could see the list of sales order line in that period. Likewise on the purchase quantity. So you can see here project code 11, 11, and 12. But if I was filtering here on a project filter and updated my forecast, it will look, of course, only at this project filter, so it will only display some of the sales line in here. So it inherits the filter in the top. I'll just refresh it again. The planning quantity is the quantity coming from planning lines if you use requisition worksheet or planning worksheet. And the end inventory is, of course, the calculated end inventory, which equals the start inventory in the next period. Quantity purchased and quantity sold is the historical quantity on the posted documents. And you also have historical columns for manufacturing and assembly, etc. Those are in columns that you could show or display in here if you want to see that as well.